Top 5 meme cryptos with moonshot potential, expected to soar in December 2024. First one, Dogwifat, WIF. Dogwifat, WIF, is a new meme coin on the Solana blockchain, inspired by the viral Dogwifat meme. It joins the trend of dog-themed tokens that have gained prominence in the crypto space. Meme coins like WIF focus on creating community and fun, often drawing value from viral popularity. Built on Solana, WIF benefits from fast transactions and low fees. In the current market cycle, WIF may attract those interested in meme culture and community-driven projects. Its potential hinges on its ability to capture viral attention and build a strong community presence on the Solana network. Second one in this list is Bonk. Bonk is a Solana-based memecoin featuring a Shiba Inu mascot. It aims to empower the Solana community by shifting influence away from venture capital tokens. The coin surged over 100% after being listed on Coinbase and serves as a community coin by airdropping 50% of its supply to Solana's NFT and DFE participants. By mid-December 2023, Bonk became the third largest memecoin by market cap, with a year-to-date increase of over 10,000%. Its integration into the Solana ecosystem, including the launch of the decentralized exchange BonkSwap, shows significant potential. With involvement in a growing ecosystem of decentralized apps, Bonk appears to be an attractive option in the current market cycle. Third one in this list is PayPay Coin. PayPay is a deflationary memecoin launched on the Ethereum network, drawing inspiration from the PayPay the Frog meme popularized in the early 2000s. It aims to replicate the success of notable memecoins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. PayPay stands out by eliminating transaction taxes and embracing its identity without utility, focusing purely on its memecoin nature. In mid-2023, it reached a peak market cap of $1.6 billion, capturing the attention of crypto enthusiasts and fueling a memecoin surge. The coin's roadmap includes increasing visibility through social media trends and listings on major exchanges. PayPay incorporates a burning mechanism to enhance scarcity and a redistribution system rewarding long-term holders. As an ERC20 token, it benefits from Ethereum's proof-of-stake security and is available on platforms like Uniswap, Binance, and KuCoin. Number 4 is Floki. Floki, initially known as Floki Inu, emerged in June 2021 after Elon Musk tweeted about naming his Shiba Inu, Floki. Originating as a meme coin, it has evolved to focus on utility and charitable efforts, including building schools in countries like Laos and Nigeria. Floki's ecosystem features projects like the NFT metaverse game Valhalla and the DFE platform FlokiFE, enhancing its functionality beyond a typical meme coin. Partnerships with NOW Payments and the launch of a prepaid Floki card enable Floki tokens to be used for real-world transactions. This expansion into NFTs, DFE, and practical applications sets Floki apart, making it a notable player in discussions about meme coins in 2023. Number 5 is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency launched in 2013 as a playful alternative to traditional coins. It features a Shiba Inu dog from an internet meme as its logo. Unlike Bitcoin, Dogecoin has no maximum supply, with 10,000 new coins mined every minute. In 2021, its value surged, placing it among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. This rise was fueled by social media and endorsements from figures like Elon Musk. Created by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer as a joke, Dogecoin gained popularity due to its strong community. Its abundant supply and active supporters make it unique. In the current market cycle, Dogecoin continues to draw interest, highlighting its potential in the crypto world.